So here it is, the Colad fast curing system. Let me introduce you to it, and we'll start off with the case. It comes with a robust, hard plastic case. This case is lined with a high density foam to protect your purchase. It also has a double locking feature, so once you've locked the little clasp here in place, to release it, it's got a red button. Pull that in and that releases it. I like that feature a lot. I think, you know, when you have invested this sort of money, you want to protect it. So that's a really great feature. You've got the safety goggles. It's a must. Every kit that comes with the lamp must come with one of these. And please wear it because these rays will damage your eyes. You've got a power cable to the transformer, which is suited to the country that you're working in. You've then got the transformer itself. Really nice, compact. You can see by the size of my hand, I've got small hands. It's a nice, compact unit. The transformer then goes to a super long cable, which I've just tie wrapped up for the sake of this demo, and then that goes to the actual lamp itself. I've found the cable to be long enough for all the repairs that I've done. I haven't needed it to be any longer, so I think the length is perfect on that. Right, what we're all here about, the UV Colad fast curing system. Really nice. You know, there was a lot of expectations out there, you know, what was going to be like. Is it just all, you know, our product is the best? No, I think it's delivered. I don't want to focus on power because, you know, there are more powerful lamps on the market. There's less powerful lamps on the market. I think the power of this lamp, spot on. It has a really nice feature. So you've got the cutout in the handle, which also saves some weight. It's got a grippier section, black plastic, sort of rubber section on the back here. So you've got a nice grip. Easy handle, 1-2 finger trigger on it. Lightweight, under 850 grams. And it was quite difficult for me to weigh that because of the cable, but it definitely, if the cable hadn't been there, it would have come out at under 850 grams. So what you've got, when you've plugged it in, you've got this little dial on the back here. It will illuminate white. That means there's power coming to the unit. You're running off the mains. As soon as you press that, it will go green. And you'll see this in a video shortly. When you've got green, it's now sending power to the front of the lamp. And as soon as you press that button, you'll hear the fan kick in. There's a fan in there because the LEDs get really warm. So that helps cool the system, helps all the electronics in there just to stay cool. On the front, you have 18 powerful UVA LEDs for the super fast curing. It has, which is set back. So you've got a ledge around here, which is what you can sit it on and it protects it. It's a really well thought out light. Like I said, it's nice, it's light, it fits easily in the hand. I cannot fault it, and it exceeds my expectations. The only thing that I would have personally, if they had to come and ask me, what do I think? I would have added an LED display on the back here, a timer display, just so you know how long you're curing for. Some products are 3 seconds. All right, you can count 3 seconds in your head, but if you're curing a primer and it needs a little bit longer, it's nice to have the timer on there. Just me, just what I've seen from using other products. So now I've talked about curing products. They've also brought out 2 putties. These putties are phenomenal. You know, they are certainly one of the best products that have come into my workshop this year, with repair products and putties and, you know, something that will help with the repair. Not talking about lamps, I'm talking about this sort of consumables. You've got a coarse and a fine. 90%, 80-90% of the time I would probably use the coarse. The fine would just be for those odd chips, or if I wanted to just skim over the coarse. Now the way to use this, it cures in 3 seconds using the lamp. You skim it, cure it. If you need another build, skim it again, re-cure it, then sand it. You can apply up to 3 mil per skim. Anything more and you will risk the chance of failure because it may not have thoroughly cured. It sands beautifully, there's no shrinkage. And another feature about this that I really like compared to other putties that I've had come into this workshop is you've got a good work time with it. So when you've got it on your little spreader, you're trying to get it around, it's not, it is curing, but it's curing very slowly. So you've got quite a lot of time to use it. Whereas other products that I've had come in here, they're almost as soon as you got them out of the tube, they're just going off straight away. And you've got to work like a madman to get them on. That's a real bonus to this feature, this product as well. So there we go. That's an introduction to this Colad system. They also do, and it's not this one, this is just here for me to talk to you about it. They also do the UV snap lids, which are blackout pot. So if you're using primer or clear, it would work. So like I said, that's something where I haven't got any yet, but I'm waiting to get those in. So 3-second cure on their putty, 15 seconds to 60 seconds on clear, depending on the size, on primer, depending on the size of the area that you're curing. And if you're using a clear, which I have tested this on, and some of you may have seen, on a wing or a fender, which I did, and it cured it in under 40 seconds, the whole fender. So super fast, super quick, helped that the product was really good as well. And that is my introduction to the Colad fast curing system. Definitely a product worth considering if you want to move into the UV curing market. So watch the video shortly. Please add your comments if you have any. If you've got any questions, whack them down in the comments or DM them over to me. I'm always happy to answer them. And don't think that any question is silly, because it's the best way to learn. If you're not sure, just ask me. And give us a follow and share it if you like it. Thanks so much, and a massive thanks to Colad for sending this out to me before it hits the market for me to try it out. So on the market in February 2021.